Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon!
Ano tayo subok nga date? February 15. Di ba kagapon? February 14. May anong ganit kagapon? Di ba kagapon is Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Anniversary ko. It's a Heart's Day kagapon. So, because of that, let's talk about love after.
Yeah!
Let's talk on perfect love. Okay, kung mga ka love, anong gasulod sa utok ta? Anong gasulod sa mind ta? Anong gitla ang love? So, love is like a fairy tale. Kung no, a childish thought, love. First, wala kay Ona, how first time yung nakita ang lalaki, fiancé na daw yun, ka-childish, kasi nakataba ka, for the first time in forever. Ganun sila na yun, siya, di siya ka-childish. So, if someone's happiness is your happiness, that is love. Love is blind, love is irresistible, and love is when you wait for a message from someone. Love ko, no? Nag-text ko to sa akin.